This is question 1, part B, computational portion. The question says, the cost in hundreds of dollars of producing X smartphones is given by this cost function, C of X equals 900 plus the square root of fx squared plus 4x plus 200. The first part of this question asks us, what is the domain of C of X? The domain is the number of smartphones you want to produce. Because that is the X, that is the number you're inputting. And the part 2 tells us to find the marginal cost function. And to find the marginal cost function, we are finding the derivative of the cost function, right? So the marginal cost function is going to equal the derivative of C of X, which is the derivative of, we can break this down into 900 plus the derivative of the square root of 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. Okay, so now this is easy to break up. The derivative of 900 of a constant is 0. The derivative of 5x squared plus 4x plus 200 is a little bit more complicated. We have to use the chain rule, right? Because this can also be said as, the derivative of 5x squared plus 4x plus 200 to the 1/2 power, raised to the half power, because that's what the square root means. Okay, so we have to use the chain rule, and the chain rule tells us that the derivative of, let's say, f of g of x is equal to f prime of g of x multiplied by g of x. And for this case, f of x, f of x is equal to, we can just use another variable z to the half power, I believe. Yep. Okay. And so now g of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. Right? Okay. So now we can get f prime of x. Here, actually, let's just use this so we don't get confused. F prime of x, which is equal to 1/2, multiply that. 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2, which is equal to 1/2 square root of x. And g prime of x, 5x squared goes 10x plus 4. Okay, so now that we have these parts, we can go back to this top. So now to find derivative, so f prime, so 1/2 square root, and we can put 10x plus 4, no, sorry, not 10x, where we go, 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. This is all in here, right? Multiplied by g prime of x, which is 10x plus 4. So now we can combine these, 10x plus 4 over 2 divided by 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. And furthermore, we can simplify this. We can, both these numbers are divisible by 2. We can that out. It'd be 1, it'd be 5, and 2. So now we get 5x plus 2 over square root of 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. And that is the marginal cost function. 5x plus 2 divided by the square root of 5x squared plus 4x plus 200. Okay. So now that we know this, the third part of the question asks us to find and interpret C prime of 200. Now, I'm going to take this into Desmos, and C prime of 200 will be, let's find that out right now. Desmos 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by the square root x squared plus 4x 200. Okay. Now f, and that gives us to be, we can go to 2.23, but this is in the hundreds of dollars, so we can multiply by 100 to equal approximately $223. So the marginal cost of producing 200 telephones or smartphones is equal to $223.